Alright, hi guys, so back at it again with the cringe content. I know how you guys are like, what is this trash that I just walk around? Well, I'm gonna do my classic original video again. Won't be as good. I mean, it might be. Okay, so we got some game chickens. They're freaking out because they hate me. We got Blue. Blue! We got ducks over here. We got this Cringy. So the deal with the ducks is that I actually got so all the big ones are mine. It's kind of hard to see. All the bigger ones are mine. It's probably terrible, isn't it? I don't know. I can't flip the camera, so it's like terrible. Yeah. The house back there, normal as always. Yeah. We got the 3 peacock pins down here, which is, yeah, see, there's one. I laugh at this so much. That one peacock right there. They always stick their head out of the top, or they always stick their head out of that hole right there, which is like hilarious for me. I never really come down here. There's lots of feathers everywhere. They always drop their tails, and then they'll regrow their tails. And like their tails will be real pretty at a certain time of year, and then it'll all just like fall out, and they'll regrow it. That's why their tails are kind of like messed up right now, is because they lost their tails recently. I think, I don't know. My dad's the expert on this trash. I'm joking. It's not trash. It's a business. These geese over here, all they want is attention. Blue. See? Jesus Christ. I have no idea if you can see any of this. I'll have to watch it and review it because I really wish I could flip it to the other camera. Stupid idea. Or I can just refilm this. Oh. We got tons of game chickens all the time. That one's by himself. There's some more. That guy back there be like, what's going on? We have game chickens that roam free also. So like, it's cringe. Buffalo Brinkins. I did have some of these guys. But I raised them, and then I they got to like medium sized, right? Now you act normal. They didn't actually fully grow up, and I just sold them. It was getting winter like it is now. It's like freezing, and I'm out here with nothing but a t-shirt. What am I doing with my life? But like I just had them, and it got too cold, and then they were gonna die. They were already like getting sick because they're too young to be in the cold. Some game chickens. Filet mignon. I'm joking. No. Why am I saying random crap? I don't know. I really don't want to do this. I'm tired. There's nothing to film today. It's so annoying. I want to go home. Oh, I'm already home. Oops. And by the way, just because, that part of the house is all ripped up, that's because we're redoing it and we're going to turn it into like this really cool room. I'm joking. It's just going to be another room for me. I'm going to start... I haven't. I need to start posting videos. Yes, I am a Lego Star Wars nerd. But, that room's going to has giant tables with a Lego city on it, and I'm going to have shelves going around the whole entire room with all my little sets that I want to display. I have the Death Star, so, I'm surprised. That's the biggest set I have, and I'm surprised I had space in my normal room for it, so. The winning comes stupidly. Yeah, trash. Boom. So check out on the Doge. Go to sleep. Yo, potato chip. He'd be like, I don't feel like filming today. You wanna film? You got hay on your face. He's really old. He's been here longer than I've been alive. And I'm 14. Focus, there we go. Yeah. Somehow he's still going. And look at that content right there. Come on, boy. What you gonna do about it? Yeah, that's the face. The face of instant regret. Yeah? That's the face of instant regret. You know it. I'm joking. I'm being mean to my dog. Like, I live up there. Well, I know. No, wrong room. I live up there. It is trash. Hey, car, come by. I dare you. Blump. Car flying by. The instant content. Ooh. I'm really bored. Down in your famous driveway, of course, where you guys don't know yet, where something amazing happens. Let's just say it involves that tree. Stuff gets stuck. Oh, speaking of it, there's a piece right there. It's coming soon. I really do need to post a video of my clown stuff. I'm lazy. I'm joking. Ah, boy. Alright, so, we got the Cringe. It's called Dalton. We don't got Charlie with us. I was actually at Dalton's earlier today, just forgot to even think about filming. Sunday, I might film with him because I really want to. I haven't filmed a video with him except for on the GoPro, and I've only filmed a video with Charlie on the GoPro, so I need to get that crap uploaded. It's very, very bad. Internet sucks. But I live in a valley. I have no friends. See how quiet it is? Except for the music. Turn off the music. I'm joking. Anyone here? No? Alright, we good. I'm bored. If any of you guys got any suggestions of what to do, because I'm so bored. I got a 4-day weekend, right? If any Caden Tunnel knows, Dalton knows, Charlie knows, all my friends know, because we go to the same school, so. Yeah. We all got out yesterday. We went on Wednesday, and then we got out, and then they said, yeah, you don't have to come back Thursday or Friday, and of course you have a normal weekend, so it's like Saturday and Sunday also. Halloween's on Wednesday, which is so stupid because they won't cancel school. So it's literally like, oh, you want to do Halloween stuff? Too bad, you won't get off the bus until 4:30, so. Yeah, my bus is literally a 2-hour ride. Maybe, I don't know, I really don't care. Today has been kind of boring. I wish I would have filmed with Dalton. Look, there's his tire tracks. When they pull in, I was standing right here, right? Waiting as they're coming down the hill. And I'm standing in a Freddy Krueger shirt, the mask, and the hat. And I'm just standing here. And they pull by, they stop about right here. And they're in this area. And then I get in, we go to their house. We played with Nerf guns a little bit. And when they come back, he pulls all the way out here. Pulls all the way down the hill, out to the island. Turns around, whips in, and pulls in right there. Yeah. So. Very tired. Alright, I'm just dragging this out. I'm bored. Alright. Bye. Go subscribe, smash the like button in the face. Like a crispy Cheeto. Oh, wait. We gotta have the car go flying by. It's always in any of my videos. The car. Oh my god. Alright. That double chin though. Well, last time it was triple. Now we have a double. And right now we have a single. So, that's it for the day, boys. Cringe. Alright. Like, subscribe, smash the like button in the face. Like every peacock I want to do. I want to smash them in the face. So, I'm joking. That's animal cruelty. Anyways, smash the like button. Hit the subscribe button. Like a flying Cheeto. Another car's coming down the hill. And that's it. See ya, guys. Bye.